I'm president of the Association for Women in Science, San Diego chapter. The Association for Women in Science is a national organization, again, with 42 chapters nationwide and about 4,000 members. And the mission of AWIS is, we call it AWIS, the mission is to support women and girls at all career levels who are interested in STEM careers. So STEM being science, technology, engineering, and math. And the organization is anyone who's interested in supporting that in women and girls. So our membership includes women who are not scientists, who are attorneys or any sociologists, any kind of career path. And we also have male members. National AWIS is very involved in advocating for policies at the national level with our federal government to make sure that women have the equal opportunity and career development in these STEM careers. So they are meeting with policy makers, with other people of similar interests, and talking with our legislators, with the president, and making sure that they know that there is a disparity of women in academic career opportunities in STEM, and finding ways, creative ways that we can fix this disparity. At the local level, at the chapter level, we're a little more involved in the communities that are near us. So our chapter here, we are serving our membership, which includes women, primarily women who are graduate students up to the CEO level. We do have some undergraduates as well. And so we're mentoring each other. We are having career development seminars. We have workshops. We have company tours. We had a Science of Chocolate event, which included a seminar about the goodness of chocolate. And I mean health, it's good for you in moderation. And then we also had a chocolate tasting, so it was doubly fun. A lot of fun. And then we also do outreach in the community. And we do this through various programs that are being offered in San Diego County. So we have a science fair where the kids, junior high school and high school have science projects. So we go to the science fair and we judge the girls' posters, and we award 8 $100 prizes to the girls whom we think have the meritorious projects and whom we think would benefit from the support of a woman's organization. And so we have a certain number of that we give to the junior high school level and some to the high school level. We select them that day, but they don't find out about it until a couple days later. And so what we do is we invite them with their parents and a teacher. If a teacher helped them with the science project, we invite them to come to a dinner that we have at the Scripps Institute of Oceanography campus. And so we have this sit-down dinner. They get their check and a certificate. We have our members there so they can see what women in science look like. We can talk to them about their projects, and they get to meet each other. So that's a lot of fun. We also have a career day we used to call it undergraduate women, career day for undergraduate women, but we have also started including junior and high school, juniors and seniors from high school. And so we have them come. It's about 4 hours on a Saturday. We have a panel of about 15 or so women from all different areas of STEM, science writing, bench science, patent attorneys, all kinds of, academia, pharmacy, everything. Just sharing their career paths, what they do. This is what I look like. And then we sit down with them and have lunch, and we can have one-on-one conversations. We have some at Petco Park here where the Padres play. Once a year they have a Expo Day. And Expo Day, there are various exhibitors hosting tables of hands-on science experiments. So we have one there called the Ooblicht, amazing Ooblicht. And Ooblicht is kind of a carbohydrate. If you put pressure on it, it's a solid. If you release the pressure, it's more of a liquid. So if it's in a big bowl, you could slap it and it's hard, but you could just put your hand right through it if you don't press very hard. So we love these hands-on things, and the kids come, and it's a lot of fun doing that. And then lastly, we have a scholarship program. So for the last few years, we've given 7 $1,000 scholarships away to women who are pursuing career STEM degrees of any type at any institution in San Diego. and we make sure that we distribute that amongst community college, university, bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD. We spread it across the board so everybody is recognized.